Hello students, welcome back to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the last class I explained the simple examples on differentiation. In the today's class also I have continued with some more examples on that. See here question number 96. The question is same. Differentiate the following with respect to x or find the derivative. The question will be same. It is minus 7x cube plus 10x square plus 1. Next bracket x square plus x minus 1. Have you identified which formula is applicable here? Yes. This is u. The first bracket is u and the second bracket is v. See, differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx will be. First apply the basic formula. Differentiation of, already we are familiar how to apply the basic formula. This is before differentiation, so keep as it is. Next, what is the differentiation of x square? 2x plus. Differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 1 is 0, so no need to write that. Next, this is before differentiation, write as it is. Next, differentiation of c, 3 as it is. Differentiation of x raised to 4 is 4x cube. That means finally we can write 12x cube. Like that, tell me this. This is 21x square plus 20x, correct or not? No need to remove the bracket and multiply, so keep as it is. Next, question number 97. Y is equal to ax square plus 2bx plus c px plus q. So again this is u and this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to, first apply u into v, product rule here. This is a basic formula. So before differentiation term as this, ax square plus 2bx plus c. And px, p is a constant, differentiation of x will be 1. Px will be written like that. P as it is, differentiation of x will be 1. That means your final answer is p. Next, px plus q as it is, because before differentiation. What is ax square? A as it is, differentiation of x square is 2x. That means 2ax. Here 2b constant, differentiation of x will be 1. So keep as it is. Question number 98. Y is equal to x raised to n root x minus 1. So which formula? Again this is u, this is v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to x raised to n, differentiation of root x minus 1 plus root x minus 1 into differentiation of x raised to n. Yes, this term as it is before differentiation term. x raised to n as this. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. No day to write differentiation of 1 because differentiation of 1 is 0. Next, this term is before differentiation, so write as it is. Differentiation of x raised to n is n into x to the power n minus 1. Moving to the next question, question number 99. See, y is equal to 1 plus x square into x minus 1 by x. Again it is u into v. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to 1 plus x square into differentiation of x minus 1 by x plus x minus 1 by x into differentiation of 1 plus x square. So already you are familiar. The term before differentiation we have to keep as it is. And here what is the differentiation of x with respect to x? 1. What is the differentiation of 1 by x? Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. It is already minus, so it becomes plus. And this is before differentiation, so keep as it is. Next, differentiation of 1 is 0, so I am writing here, plus differentiation of x square is 2x. What is 0 plus 2x? 0 plus 2x is 2x. And no need to remove the bracket. Now, 100. It is very interesting. So, I want to give you some important question here. Y is equal to log a to the base x. See, we have the formula differentiation of log x. Simply you can write log x, or sometimes you can write like this, log x to the base e. In both the cases they are not different, they are nothing but they are similar. In this case the differentiation will be 1 by x. But here we have the base is different. This is called a base. The base is different. The base is log x. So before differentiation I am applying change of base theorem. Have you remembered this log? Log m to the base n we can write as log m to the base e upon log n to the base e. This is called a change of base theorem. So it is in the form of u by v. Differentiating with respect to x. And remember log a is a constant, even though it is log a is also constant. So differentiating with respect to x, u by v method. Dy upon dx is equal to log x to the base e, differentiation of log a to the base e, middle minus comes, log a to the base e, differentiation of log x to the base e, and log x to the base e whole square. And remember, no need to write only e. Whatever we want the base, you can write that. Here log x to the base e before differentiation keep as is. Differentiation of log a will be what? 0. Because it is a constant. Minus log a to the base e as it is. What is the differentiation of log x? 1 by x. Divided by whole square. And 0 into anything is 0. So this part will not write. Just write on this. Because only that part is remaining. Log a to the base e upon x whole upon log x to the base e whole square. And this is a fraction. It is present in the numerator. So it will be written as log a to the base e, that x comes in the denominator. So this is the answer. Is it interesting or what? Next question, question number 101. Y is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. And here, if you want, you can remove the bracket and you can differentiate. Or you can go for u, v, w. Which you feel convenient, apply that one. I am applying u, v, w, and you go for the removing all the three brackets, simplify, then differentiate. And compare your answer, whatever I am solving. You will get the same answer. So I am applying u, v, w. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2 as it is. Differentiation of x minus 3. First I am differentiate this bracket, then next one, then last one. Plus x minus 1 into x minus 3 as it is. Differentiation of x minus 2. Every time one bracket differentiation. Plus x minus 2, x minus 3 as it is. Differentiation of x minus 1. These two brackets are before differentiation, keep as it is. Yes, what is the differentiation of x minus 3? Differentiation of x is 1 minus 0, because differentiation of 3 will be 0. Your final answer will be 1. So here it is 1. Like that the remaining. X minus 1, x minus 3 before differentiation it is 1. No need to write that. Plus x minus 2, x minus 3. If you want you can keep as this, but the terms are simple. That's why I am removing a bracket. Remove the bracket. X into x, x square, minus 2x, minus x, minus into minus, plus. Like that the next one. Similarly the last one. See, here we have x square, here we have x square, here we have x square. Total 3x square. Minus 2x minus x, minus 3x. This is minus 4x. This is minus 5x. See, minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. Minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12. And 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. This is the final answer. Next question number 102. Y is equal to root a minus root x upon root a plus root x. See students, this is also u by v method, and here root a is a constant, correct or what? Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to root a plus root x as it is. Differentiation of root a minus root x. Middle minus comes root a minus root x into differentiation of root a plus root x, u by v method, divided by root a plus root x whole square. Here root a plus root x as it is, because before differentiation. What is the differentiation of root a? 0. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Please refer your formula list. 0 minus 1 by 2 root x means finally we can write minus 2 root x here. 0 minus 1 by 2 root x, because differentiation of a is 0. Next, minus root a minus root x as it is. Again tell me what is your answer. Upon root a plus root x whole square. Here instead of removing a multiplying, I took 1 by 2 root x common. And I multiply this bracket only with minus. Minus root a minus root x, and here I took minus inside. Minus root x plus root x get cancelled. It is 1 by 2 root x, and minus root a is minus 2 root a upon root a plus root x whole square. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled, and anyhow this is a fraction. It will be written as minus root a upon root x into root a plus root x whole square. Understood? Moving to the next question. Moving to the next question, question number 103. Y is equal to a minus x upon a plus x. So this is also nothing but u by v method. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is a plus x into differentiation of a minus x, middle minus a minus x differentiation of a plus x divided by a plus x whole square. See, this is before differentiation, keep as it is. Differentiation of a is a 0 constant. Differentiation of minus x will be minus 1. Minus a minus x, and differentiation of x will be 1. Remove the bracket. Minus a minus x minus a plus x divided by a plus x whole square. Minus x plus x get cancels. Minus 2a upon a plus x whole square. Y is equal to, next question, x to the power n ax plus b divided by cx plus d. See, when you see the question, first in your mind you are getting u by v method, u by v formula. So apply that u by v formula. Differentiating with respect to x. First u by v. dy upon dx is equal to cx plus d in the bracket. Differentiation of x raised to n ax plus b minus x raised to n ax plus b differentiation of cx plus d whole divided by cx plus d whole square. If the students want, they can remove the bracket here and just they can multiply, or you can go by u into v method, that is left with you. Cx plus d before differentiation I kept as it is. Here I am applying, this is u, this is v. First I applied u by v, then u into v. Understood? Minus, this is before differentiation, keep as it is. Here, what is the differentiation of cx? C is a constant, differentiation of x will be 1. Cx plus d whole square. Here, cx plus d as it is in the bracket. This is before differentiation, keep as it is. What is the differentiation of ax? A constant. See, ax, a constant, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. That means a. And b will be 0. Plus ax plus b as it is. Differentiation of x raised to n is n into x to the power n minus 1. And this already we did the differentiation, keep as it is. Understood? Like this we are solving. Log x to the base 10. Solve this. Here base is different, means you cannot write as 1 by x directly because the base is log 10 it is. As I explained in the previous one of the previous example, first apply change of base theorem. Then go for differentiation. See, y is equal to log x to the base e upon log 10 to the base e. Students, you can go, after writing this, you can go for u by v. U by v quotient rule. Or, see, x by 2 means, are you applying u by v? No, we are writing 1 by 2 into xy, because you know that 1 by 2 is a constant, then you are differentiating x. Like that, if you go for u by v, that is also correct, but it takes a time. So, can we write like this? See, is it in the form of 1 by 2 into x or what? That means this part is constant, only differentiate this. And for verification, if you want, you can go for u by v method. There also you will get the same answer. Into 1 by x, because differentiation of log x to the base e is 1 by x. Finally, you can write like this. This is also correct, just I did the modification. I rewrite that answer, only that much. Next question. Y is equal to e raised to x log x to the base e. See it. First u into v. Before u into v, I wrote log x to the base e upon log a to the base e, change of base theorem. And this I wrote 1 upon log a to the base e constant e raised to x log x. See, now these two are similar or what? Yes. And for that bracket we are applying u into v. See, if you are throwing this, all this, your competitive preparation will be very simple, very easy. Now differentiate this. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is 1 by log a to the base e as it is. In the bracket, I wrote u into v. This is u, this is v. E raised to x, differentiation of log x to the base e plus log x to the base e into differentiation of e raised to x. Here 1 by log a to the base e constant as it is. This is before differentiation in the bracket. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x to the base e. And what is the differentiation of e raised to x? Differentiation of e raised to x will be e raised to x. If you want, you can stop here or you can take e raised to x common. Only that possibility is there. Further simplification not possible. Only you can take e raised to x common. Moving to the next question. Question number 107. Y is equal to a minus x upon 1 plus ax. This is u by v method. Differentiating with respect to x. Already you are familiar, that's why I am writing directly. See, this is before differentiation, keep as it is. What is the differentiation of a minus x? A is a constant 0. See, a minus x, differentiation of a is 0, differentiation of x is 1. Because of this minus comes, answer is minus 1. Minus a minus x before differentiation. And here differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of ax. 1 is 0 plus a constant, differentiation of x is 1. Your final answer is a. Next, remove the bracket. Take minus inside. Minus 1 minus ax. Here a and minus at the same time take inside. Minus into minus plus. Minus ax plus ax get cancels. Minus 1 minus a square. 1 plus ax whole square. This is the final answer. Next question. X square minus 1. 2x cube minus 1. 3x to the power 4 minus 1. See, this is u. This is v. This is w. Differentiating with respect to x. Dy upon dx is x square minus 1, 2x cube minus 1, differentiation of, next I am differentiating this. Next differentiating this bracket. Just write their differentiation. The term, as you know that the terms before differentiation as it is, x square minus 1, 2x cube minus 1. What is the differentiation of 3 into x to the power 4? I kept 3 as it is. Differentiation of x to the power 4 is 4x cube. Final answer is 12x cube. Next, moving to this, these two terms as it is. Differentiation of 2x cube, tell me directly. Yes, 6x square plus 2x cube minus 1, 3x to the power 4 minus 1. And what is the differentiation of x square? 2x. If you want, remove the bracket and do the final result. Write down the final result. Next, y is equal to 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. See, before differentiation, just recall your trigonometric formula list. Have you remembered what is 1 minus cos 2x? 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Before differentiation, 2 sin square x, 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. See, 2 and get cancels. Sin square by cos square is tan square. Root of tan square x. Root of tan square x is what? Tan x. Now the differentiation is very simple. Differentiation of tan x will be secant square x. Correct or what? Y is equal to 2 raised to x plus 3 raised to x upon 2 raised to x minus 3 raised to x. Just apply u by v method. U by v method. Differentiating with respect to x. dy upon dx is equal to 2 raised to x minus 3 raised to x, as it is differentiation of, and middle minus the term before differentiation keep as it is. Hence, what is the formula for differentiation of a raised to x? Differentiation of a raised to x is what? A raised to x into here. A raised to x into log a to the base e. So differentiation of 2 raised to x is 2 raised to x into log 2 to the base e plus 3 raised to x into log 3 to the base e minus 2 raised to x plus 3 raised to x, as it is. Here it is whole divided by 2 raised to x minus 3 raised to x whole square. To remove the bracket and simplification, I will leave for the students. Next, y is equal to, if y is equal to sec x plus tan x, prove that dy upon dx is equal to y into secant x. See, it is interesting. The questions are, that's why I am giving you different questions, and I want to make you basics perfect. Let us call y is equal to sec x plus tan x as equation 1. Differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx. Very simple, u plus v. What is the differentiation of sec x? Sec x into tan x plus differentiation of tan x is secant square x. Here you can take sec x common in the bracket, tan x. Out of 2 we took one term common. And observe this bracket. This bracket is nothing but y or what? That is, we are writing from equation 1. And just rearrange. It is y into secant x. That is the required answer. Next question. Y is equal to x square minus x root 2 plus 1 upon x square plus x root 2 plus 1. Nothing but u by v method. Differentiating with respect to x. Apply u by v method. Dy upon dx is equal to in the bracket differentiation of x square is 2x minus, out Out of these two, which is a constant? Root 2 is a constant, remember. Differentiation of x will be 1 and differentiation of 1 is 0. Here differentiation of x square is 2x and again root 2 is a constant, differentiation of x will be 1. So this is the answer. Moving to next question. Again this is nothing but u by v method. Differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx is equal to px square plus qx plus r, because now the students are familiar with this formula. That's why I am writing the solution directly. Px square plus qx plus r as it is. Differentiation of ax square is 2ax because a constant, x square is 2x, plus b. Differentiation of x is 1. Next, px square is 2px plus q. Sorry, this is px square plus qx. I didn't see. Denominator we have to do. Px square plus qx plus r whole square. Question number 114. Y is equal to x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. So nothing but u, v, w. Differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx. Already we are familiar. Every time one bracket differentiation. These two are before differentiation. Differentiation of x is 1, no need to write that, and differentiation of c will be 0. If you want, you can remove the bracket. Y is equal to log e raised to 1 plus tan x to the base e. See, this is again very interesting question. These type of questions definitely will get in the competitive. We have one important property in log. Log m raised to n to the base e is n into log m to the base e. This power comes first. So in place of n, what we have? 1 plus tan x before differentiation. 1 plus tan x and log e to the base e. Have you familiar with this? Log e to the base e value is 1. So we are getting 1 plus tan x. Please note down this. It is in the form of log m raised to n. That power comes first. Now differentiate this. differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx. Differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So finally we got secant square x. Is it interesting or what? Next, y is equal to x cos x minus sin x. Here I mixed all the questions. You have to identify and you have to solve. So which formula? It is very simple. U minus v, and in that only u into v. Differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx is equal to, this is u into v minus that, x into differentiation of cos x plus cos x. First I wrote u into v, cos x into differentiation of x with respect to x minus the differentiation of sin x. X as it is, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Directly I am writing like this, minus sin x plus cos x as it is, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 minus differentiation of sin x is cos x. Because of this minus I wrote minus cos x plus cos x get cancels, minus x into sin x. 117. If f of x is equal to 1 plus x upon 1 plus x square, find 3 into f dash of 2 plus 2 into f dash of 3. Very interesting, very simple, but just normal differentiation u by v. See, here I wrote differentiating with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to differentiation of 1 plus x is 1 minus 1 plus x, differentiation of x square is 2x. If you want, you can remove the bracket and simplify. I am not removing a bracket, directly I am calculating this value. Wherever x is there, I am writing 2. 2 square is 4. And 2 into 2, 4. This is 5 minus 4 into 3. 5 plus 1, 25. It is minus 7 by 25. Next, f dash of 3. 1 plus 3 square is 9. 9. 1 plus 9 minus 1 plus 3 into 6 divided by 1 plus 9 whole square. It is 10. 6 into 4 minus 24 divided by 100. 10 square. It is minus 14. 24 minus 10 upon 100. See any cancellation? Yes. Minus 7 upon 50. Now write down. What is required? 3 into f dash of 2. 2 into f dash of 3. Consider. Substitute the values. 3 into minus 7 by 25 plus 2 into minus 7 by 50. So it is minus 21 by 25 minus 7 by 25. Plus into minus is minus. Finally we got minus 28 by 25. LCM is 25. Just add that numbers. Correct or what? Moving to the next question. Question number 118. Y is equal to, this is U, this is V. See, dy upon dx is equal to x raised to n as this, it is 1 by x. And this is n into x to the power n minus 1. If you take x in the numerator, if you are familiar with indices, and you can take x to the power n minus 1 as a common. Y is equal to x tan x. Find dy upon dx when x is equal to pi by 4. So this is U, this is V. Differentiating with respect to x. X into differentiation of tan x plus tan x into differentiation of x. X as it is differentiation of tan x is secant square x plus tan x as it is differentiation of x will be 1. Then when x is equal to pi by 4, dy upon dx is pi by 4 secant square pi by 4 plus tan pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45 degrees. This pi by 4 as it is. What is the sec 45? Sec 45 is root 2 square, and tan 45 is 1. Here square root and square get cancels. Pi by 4 into 2 plus 1. Don't add 2 plus 1 as a 3. Please related with this. So the final answer is pi by 2 plus 1. Now moving to the next question. Question number 120. And 20, y is equal to 3 plus 4 sin x upon 4 plus 3 sin x. See, the terms are same but their coefficients are different. Which method? U by V method. Differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx is equal to 4 plus 3 sin x. Shall I write the differentiation directly? Differentiation, instead of writing differentiation of 3 plus 4 sin x, I will write 4 cos x. Directly I wrote the differentiation value. And it is 3 sin x. If you are thorough, directly you can write. Otherwise write on the formula. Now I am removed the bracket. 4 cos x plus 12 sin x into cos x. Sorry, 16 cos x. Next, minus 9 sin x minus 12. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So this is also cos x. Sin x into cos x divided by 4 plus 3 sin x whole square. Correct or what? Here plus 12 sin x cos x minus 12 sin x cos x get cancelled. 16 minus 9 is what? 7. 7 cos x is remaining. 4 plus 3 sin x whole square. See, with this example I am completing basic examples. In the next class I will start with the NCERT syllabus, that is composite functions. So that is very interesting and very important. If you are thorough in these examples, there are thousands together examples, but because of time shortage I gave only this much questions, but I want to make you perfect. Now you are familiar with u plus v, u into v, u minus v, everything. In the next class I will give you the examples on composite function. So please don't miss to watch that classes.